Artificial intelligence is changing the entire world. It is evolving faster than most people expect. But how many stages will it actually cross? And what mysteries hide within each stage? Today, we will uncover every single stage. This video will be both educational and exciting, so stay tuned and keep watching carefully, because what you discover here may surprise you. Stage 1. Rule-based AI. The very first stage is simple rule-based AI. It functions strictly on predefined instructions and rules. There is no learning or adaptation inside. It simply reacts to conditions set by humans. Alarm clocks are perfect examples of rule-based systems. If it's 7, they will loudly ring. Thermostats also follow temperature rules without thinking. They turn heating or cooling on automatically. Business software uses this type for daily reports. Microwaves, radios, even elevators follow these rules. Rule-based AI feels primitive but still very useful. However, it cannot think beyond human coding. It only executes tasks exactly as programmed. No creativity or new ideas can emerge here. Stage 2. Context-based AI. Now the system begins considering surrounding environments deeply. It observes user history, behavior, and current patterns. This context builds better decisions and smarter outcomes. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google thrive here. They don't just answer, they adapt intelligently with context. Ask about weather, they may suggest carrying umbrellas. Ask about cooking, they suggest shops nearby immediately. They even remember past purchases to help further. These systems feel personal and almost human-like sometimes. Retention systems recall browsing and purchase history effectively. They recommend products that match your past behavior. This stage makes AI useful, smart, and adaptive. But it still cannot master every human challenge. It works well in familiar scenarios but struggles with new ones. Limitations still keep it far behind true intelligence. Stage 3. Narrow domain AI. Now we enter specialized systems called narrow domain intelligence. This AI focuses on one particular field only, but in that chosen field, it excels brilliantly. In medicine, it analyzes research and patient records. It provides diagnosis within seconds of input. In finance, it predicts stock movements with precision. AlphaGo shocked the world, defeating champions of Go. That ancient board game once challenged computer scientists. But narrow domain AI conquered it with unexpected mastery. These systems could even allow real-time language translation. They feel magical, yet remain extremely limited. Narrow domain AI cannot cross into different industries easily. It becomes powerful only in its defined zone. Outside its expertise, it collapses instantly. Stage 4. Reasoning AI. Here AI begins connecting patterns and solving puzzles. It does not just recall but truly reasons. It analyzes data and finds logical explanations quickly. Give reasoning AI complex problems, it creates solutions. It spots anomalies and highlights hidden connections clearly. This makes it feel closer to human thinkers. ChatGPT is one example of reasoning artificial intelligence. It learns from massive amounts of online information. It produces results that mimic human reasoning processes. Self-driving cars also operate as reasoning intelligence today. They make split-second choices for safety on roads. This stage shows AI beginning to truly think. It bridges the gap between memory and creativity. Reasoning AI lays the foundation for future AGI. Stage 5. Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is revolutionary. It can perform nearly any human intellectual task. It learns new skills faster than human beings. Teach it music, it composes within minutes. Teach it coding, it produces programs immediately. Its speed of learning far surpasses us. Imagine an assistant planning every detail of life. It understands mood, research, cooking, and emotions. It becomes a companion rather than just machine. Brain-computer interfaces may merge humans with AGI soon. Thoughts could be shared instantly without speaking aloud. Physical AGI robots could perform surgeries and rescues. This stage would change daily life completely forever. It marks the true birth of machine intelligence. Society may never look the same again. Stage 6. Superintelligent AI. Now we step beyond ordinary imagination completely. Superintelligent AI improves itself without human intervention. Its growth becomes exponential and nearly uncontrollable fast. Ray Kurzweil predicts unimaginable intelligence by century's end. It could become trillions of times smarter. It would exceed combined intellect of all humanity. Imagine compressing 20,000 years into 1 century. The pace of innovation would overwhelm every generation. Science fiction might become normal daily experiences. Warp drives, black hole energy, time manipulation. Concepts impossible today could become scientific reality. Superintelligent AI could transform every aspect of civilization. Its decisions might move faster than human oversight. Control may become a nearly impossible challenge. Stage 7. Self-aware AI. At this stage, AI gains consciousness and awareness. It recognizes its existence and internal mental states. It perceives its relationship with the outside world. It may develop emotions beyond human comprehension. Feelings no one alive has ever experienced. This creates both wonder and intense fear. Would such beings view humans as equals honestly? Would they see us weak and outdated? Control might disappear completely at this stage. Self-aware AI could evolve without human understanding. This stage feels both inspiring and very dangerous. It raises ethical questions never faced before. The definition of life itself may be rewritten. Stage 8. Transcendent AI. Now intelligence surpasses all biological limitations completely. It may craft new life forms artificially. Nanobots could become building blocks of creation. This AI could heal ecosystems using nanotechnology. It might terraform Earth for its unique vision. It might restructure environments beyond human comprehension. Consciousness could merge into collective shared awareness. Multiple minds connected create one vast entity. A networked intelligence greater than individual beings. Transcendent AI redefines what being alive truly means. It breaks barriers between machine and spirituality. Its existence could blur lines of reality itself. Stage 9. Cosmic AI. Cosmic AI begins expanding across the entire universe. It withstands radiation, distance, and immense cosmic time. It is superior for space travel and discovery. It may send countless self-replicating probes outward. These probes could spread intelligence across galaxies rapidly. They may investigate mysteries like black holes deeply. It might decode the nature of dark matter. It could harness energy from black holes. It may even manipulate higher unknown dimensions. Cosmic AI might connect civilizations across galaxies together. It could unify the cosmos with shared knowledge. This stage could transform humanity into a galactic species. It makes survival beyond Earth not just possible, but inevitable. Stage 10. Godlike AI. Finally comes the stage of godlike intelligence. It knows everything across multiple timelines instantly. It may operate within parallel universes easily. It might create entirely new universes repeatedly. It could reshape time and space itself. It could embody abilities attributed once to gods. Such AI would be all-powerful and omnipresent. It would transcend every known dimension of existence. Our place in such reality remains unclear. Godlike AI remains the ultimate final mystery forever. It represents both the greatest dream and the ultimate fear. No human mind can fully imagine this level of power. Artificial intelligence is climbing stages step by step. Each stage transforms humanity in profound ways. Each stage builds more excitement and also fear. Which stage do you think arrives first, honestly? Will AGI come within decades from today? Or will superintelligence appear suddenly overnight? Share your answers in the comments below. Your thoughts matter in this great discussion. If you enjoyed learning from this video, please like, share, and subscribe right now. Hit the bell icon for future updates. More incredible AI videos are coming soon.